Forget everything you know about motorcycles. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R isn't just a machine, it's a statement, an engineering marvel that pushes the boundaries of speed and technology. From the moment you see it, you know this isn't a regular bike. This is a machine ripped straight from a futuristic movie designed for one purpose: to dominate the track. Every inch screams performance, from its razor-sharp aerodynamic lines to its menacing carbon fiber wings. But to truly understand why the H2R exists, we need to rewind. Kawasaki didn't build this bike to compete with superbikes. They built it to destroy every concept of what a motorcycle can be. In 2014, Kawasaki made an announcement that shook the industry. They were creating a bike that would exceed every limit. Two versions were revealed: the road-legal Ninja H2 and the unrestricted track-only Ninja H2R. The H2 was brutal. The H2R? It was something else entirely. It wasn't built to be practical or affordable or street legal. It was built to be the ultimate. What makes this bike so extraordinary? It starts with the heart of the beast, a 998cc inline-4 engine. But this isn't just any engine, it's supercharged. Think about that for a moment, a supercharger on a motorcycle. Most bikes rely on natural aspiration, or in rare cases, turbos. But Kawasaki engineers decided to take a path no one dared to follow, developing a centrifugal supercharger completely in-house. And this isn't an ordinary blower, it's a precision masterpiece, spinning at an unbelievable 130,000 revolutions per minute. Its purpose? To shove enormous volumes of air into the engine for explosive instantaneous power. And when I say explosive, I mean it. The H2R cranks out 310 horsepower, already insane for a bike. But wait, with ram air effect, that figure skyrockets to 326 horsepower. Let that sink in. That's more than some race cars. In fact, most high-performance superbikes hover around 200 horsepower. The BMW S1000RR, Ducati Panagali V4, Yamaha R1, all incredible machines. Yet the H2R blows past them like they're standing still. And remember, this isn't a heavy cruiser. This thing weighs just about 216 kilograms. The power-to-weight ratio is off the charts, delivering acceleration so violent it feels like bending the laws of physics. So what does all this power mean when the tires hit the asphalt? It means the Kawasaki Ninja H2R isn't just fast, it's terrifyingly fast. Speeds that were once the stuff of science fiction are now reality. On-screen graphic, 400 km/h, 249 miles per hour. These aren't just numbers, they're verified. Turkish racer Kenan Sofuoglu famously pushed the H2R to 400 km/h on a bridge, hitting that speed in just 26 seconds. Imagine that 0 to 400 km/h in less than half a minute. That's not acceleration. That's a controlled rocket launch on two wheels. But speed like this doesn't come easy. When you're tearing through the air at over 200 miles per hour, aerodynamics becomes everything. That's why the H2R looks like something out of a fighter jet hangar. Those carbon fiber winglets? They're not decoration. They generate critical downforce at high speed, keeping the front wheel planted and the bike stable. The aggressive bodywork, the angular fins, every single detail was designed through wind tunnel testing. Even the paint serves a purpose. Kawasaki used a special mirror-coated matte black finish that not only looks sinister, but also reflects heat away from the engine. Because when you're dealing with this kind of performance, even temperature control becomes a battlefield. And here's the reality check. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is not street legal. It doesn't have mirrors, it doesn't have headlights, there are no turn signals. Why? Because this isn't a motorcycle for traffic lights and city roads. This is a purebred track monster, built for closed circuits and riders who crave something beyond reason. Owning one isn't just expensive, it's a commitment. The H2R carries a price tag of around $56,000, and that's before you factor in the astronomical maintenance cost. Special tires that can handle its power, regular inspections, and if you crash, good luck finding those carbon fiber wings. They cost more than some entire bikes. So why does it exist? Because the Ninja H2R is more than a motorcycle, it's a declaration. It's Kawasaki saying it's a piece of engineering art designed not for the masses, but for those who dream in speed. It shows what's possible when ambition meets precision, when technology is pushed to its edge without compromise. Since its debut, the H2R has earned legendary status. It's a symbol of what humans can create when they stop asking why and start asking why not. For countless riders around the world, the H2R is the ultimate dream machine. It represents the pinnacle of motorcycle performance, combining aerospace-grade engineering, cutting-edge materials, and sheer mechanical fury into one breathtaking package. And the best part? It's real. You can see it, hear it, touch it. If you're lucky, maybe even ride it, though few ever will. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is not just the fastest bike you can buy. It's a glimpse into the future of two-wheeled performance. It's a legend in motion, a masterpiece that bends physics to its will. From its screaming supercharger to its razor-sharp design, everything about it dares the world to catch up. Now, after hearing its story, I have to ask you, would you dare to ride the Kawasaki Ninja H2R? Let me know in the comments below.